Hello, this is Thomas with Aero-Lite Plastics, and this video will demonstrate how to replace a lens for an Aero-Lite lighted address sign. This tutorial will be for both our 3-inch and 4-inch address signs, but for the purpose of this video we'll be using a 4-inch sign. Let's get started. The first step is to remove your old lens. Squeeze the middle of the top and the bottom of the lens to release the tabs holding the lens in place. Pull straight out, being careful not to break tabs located on the top and the bottom of the lens. To replace your new lens, do the previous sequence in reverse. Squeeze the middle of the top and the bottom of the lens and place it into the backplate. The tabs on the lens should snap into the backplate. The lens may fit snug, but be careful not to use excessive force when replacing the lens. You may break the tabs that hold the lens in place. This completes the replacement lens tutorial for your Aero-Lite lighted address sign. If you have any questions, please visit our website at www.aero-lite.com and read our FAQs or call our replacement part line. Thank you for watching and have a great day.